Hello students, this is Swati, mathematics teacher. This video for 10 most important 10th midterm and board examination part 1 video. So first chapter is real number. In this real number chapter, very most important question is there. So first one is find the largest number that will divide 398, 436 and 542, leaving remainder 7, 11 and 15 respectively. How to solve this question? This question asks for 1 marks. So first
First question, find the
we have
largest
to write the
number
given
that will divide
questions.
398 for real number. In a real number chapter, this question is important. Sometimes ask find the smallest number that will be divided, and sometimes ask find the largest number that will be divided. So first, what are the number given? We will write 398, 436 and 522. The which one is leaving the remainder number? Leaving remainder 7 for 398, 11 for 436 and 15 for 458. In the shortcut method, we have to subtract remainder with numbers. So 398, what are the remainder of 398? 7. We will subtract 398 minus 7 is 391. Then what is the remainder of 436? 11. So subtract this one. 436 minus 11 equal to 425. And what is the remainder of 542? 15. Subtract 542 minus 15 equal to 527. Then we can find out prime factor of these three numbers. Because what we have in the question, find the largest number. How to find out largest number? Through a find out SCF. Through a finding out SCF of these three numbers. HCF of 391, 425 and 527. So what is SCF? We know that SCF is a smallest power of each common prime factor. So this is the definition of SCF. I am completely telling about in real number chapter. This video out in YouTube channel, so we can go and watch it. Smallest power of each common prime factor. So now find out factor of 391. In the last, we observe that last digit is 1 is not divisible by 2 and 3 also, and no, sorry, this one not divisible by 2. Then is possible for 3? No, 3 also. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, but 1 is remainder, so it's not take. But another number is, so it's divisible by 17. What 17 2s are 34. What is 17 2s are 34? Remainder is 5. Then 51 is become. Then 17 3 is a 51. Then we observe that 23 is a prime number. So prime numbers is always divisible by itself and 1. So 23 ones are 23. So what is the factor of 391? What is the prime factor of 391? 17 into 23. Then similarly find out 425. So in this number, last digit is 5. So 5 is not divisible by 2, 3. Is only divisible by 5. So we can take that 5. So 5. So then 5 8s. So what is 5 8s? 40. 5 8s are 40. 2 is remainder to become 25. Then 5 5s are 25. In 85 number, in last digit is also a 5. So 5 is only divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 is remainder, become 35. 5 7s are 35. Then 17 is a prime number, is divisible by itself and 1 only. So what is the prime factor of 445? 5 into 5 into 17. Then also find out factor of 527. We observe that in the 527, last digit number is 7. So it's not divisible by 2. But what we can take? So observe that only is divisible by 17. Not 13, 14, 15, 16 is divisible by 17. 17 3 is a 51. So 1 is remainder, is become 17 ones. Then we observe that 31 is a prime number, is only divisible by itself. So what are the factor of 527? Factor is 17 into 31. So then we find out largest number that will be divide 391, 436 and 549, leaving remainder 7, 11 and 15 respectively. So how to find out? Using the SCF. So what is the SCF of 391, 427 and 527? So what is SCF? By the definition, smallest power of each common prime factor. In this three number, which one is common factor? 17 is the common factor, 17 only. So this is the smallest power. So in this three number, 17 is the common factor and 17 is the largest number that will be divide 398, 436 and 522. So understand students, this is very important problems.
Second problem of real number is SCF and LCM of two number is 9 and 459 respectively. If one of the number is 27, find the other number. Using the formula, we can find out easily these types of question. As for 2 marks. So what are the formula?
Then second question of real number. This is the 2 marks question, or sometimes 3 marks also. 2 marks question. So SCF and LCM of two numbers is 9 and 459. If one of the number is 27, find another number. This very simple question, and in this we can in this question very easily, but when we know the formula. So very important formula, there is nothing but SCF into LCM equal to product of two number. This is also called A and B. A is the first number and B is the second number. A is the first number and B is the second number. So we know that what is the given. First we write given. SCF equal to what? SCF two number is 9. Then what are the LCM? LCM 459. Then if one of the number is 27, I will take first number. First number is 27. So what are we find? Second number means B. Second number. So second number find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is the LCM? LCM is 9. And what are the SCF is 9. What is the LCM? 459 equal to A means first number. What are given? 27. We can find out B means second number we can find out. So easily find out 9 into 459. So you can write 9 into 459. We send 27 to right hand side. 20 is go to denominator. Then we can divide that. 9 ones are 9 3s are 27. Then 3 ones are 3. 1 is remainder. We get 15. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 3s are 9. So what is second number? Second number is 153. This very simple problem when we understand the formula. This is the very easiest formula. Easy plus easy. So these two problems is very important in real number. This is for 1 mark. This is for 2 marks. Sometimes this also asks 2 marks question.
Second chapter first question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial alpha square ax square plus bx plus c, find the value of alpha square plus beta square.
Third question in the polynomial chapter, this question asks for 2 marks. So what are the question? If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So what we find? Alpha square plus beta square. Polynomial chapter is very easy chapter and very scoring chapter, and this type questions every year ask at least one question. So we have to read, write and carefully write step by step for a 2 marks question, important question. So very easy question. When this types of question is asked, first we have to write identification of or relationship between zeros and coefficient formula. What is the zeros and coefficient formula? Sum of zeros. First one is sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Second one is product of zeros. Product of zeros, alpha into beta equal to c by a. What is the equation? As ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. So what we find out? Alpha square plus beta square. We know the algebraic identity of alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta. This is algebraic identity. We arrange in this form. We can arrange this algebraic identity of this form. Yes, we can arrange that. So we send this alpha plus beta square in right hand side. Alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. This is become minus because it. So then plus 2 alpha into beta become minus 2 into alpha beta. 2 into alpha beta. Then we substitute this sum of zeros and product of zeros values in this form. So we can write alpha square plus beta square as it is. Then alpha, what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. Minus b by a whole square. Minus 2 into what is alpha into beta? Product of zeros, c by a. Then alpha square plus beta square equal to then squaring on both side, minus b square, we get b square by a square minus 2c by a. 2c by a. Then we take LCM for both a square into a. We get a square. So we get b square minus by b square minus 2ac. B square minus 2. So what we get? LCM b square minus 2ac by a square. So this is my alpha plus beta square. So b square minus 2ac by a square. This is the final answer. Alpha square plus beta square. This I'm already saying that I'm already said this type question at least one will ask for 10th CBSE student in exam. So please prepare and please focus in the types of problems.
Second question is, if the sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to k square minus 14x square minus 2x minus 2 is 1, then find the value of k. These questions ask for 2 marks or 3 marks. Then first we have to write the given polynomial. Polynomial is p of x equal to k square minus 14x square minus 2x minus 12 equal to 12 is 1. So sum of the zeros value is 1. So sum of the zeros value is 1. First we have to write the values of a and b equal to minus 2 and c equal to minus 12. Sum of the zeros, formula of sum of 0 is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. This is the formula of sum of zeros. So given data, sum of 0 means alpha plus beta equal to 1. We have to put in this formula 1 equal to minus of, what is minus b? B is minus 2x divided by what is a? K square minus 14. Then multiply minus into minus plus 2 by k square minus 14 implies, then cross multiply for RHS and LHS, k square minus 1 into 1, k square minus 1 equal to 2. Then minus 14 come to either side, 2 plus 14, then 16. K equal to root 16. So k equal to plus or minus 4 because square root of 16 is the root of 4. So this is the second question. Next, third chapter linear equation. Important question. This is the 4 marks question. The age of the father is twice the sum of the ages of his two children. After 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. Find the age of the father. First, write out the given data. First, age of the two children is x and y. Then age of father is 2 into x plus y, twice of sum of two children. So 2 into x plus y is considered equation 1. Then after 2 years, the age of children, two children is x plus 20 and y plus 20. Age of father is 2 into x plus y plus 20. Then according to the question, 2 into x plus y plus 20 equal to x plus 20 plus y plus 20. The father of the age equal to sum of two children. So we multiply 2 into x 2x, 2 into y 2y plus 20. Then x plus y and add two constant 20 plus 20 40. Then x plus y take into the left hand side 2x plus 2y minus y. Then 20 is take right hand side 40 minus 20. Then subtract 2x minus x 2y minus y equal to 40 minus 20 20. This is the equation 2. Put equation 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2 into x plus y. This is the equation 1. 2 into x plus y is the equation. So 2 into age of father equal to 2 into x plus y. So 2 into x plus y equal to 20. So what is the age of the father? 40 years. This question is completed. Important question. Next, second question. Speed of the boat in still water is 5 km per hour. It goes 30 km upstream and return back to same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the steam. This question also 4 marks question. Word problems is very important in linear equation chapter. Let's consider the speed of the steam. The speed of the steam is x kilometer per hour. Speed of the boat in still water is 15 kilometer per hour. Then speed of upstream is always equal to x minus y, so we have to write 15 minus x. Speed of downstream formula is x plus y, so we have to write 15 plus x. So according to the question, so first we have to find the speed of the stream. Formula for find the stream: time equal to distance by speed. Sometimes t is equal to d by s. D means distance 30 km. Time is 4 hours 30 minutes. So 30 by 50 minus x plus 30 by 50 plus x equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. Then take LCM for denominator. 50 minus x into 50 plus x. Then take 30 into 15 plus x, 30 into 15 minus x. This is the mixed fraction, so convert to fraction. So 30 and 30 take 50 plus x plus 50 minus x divided by, take LCM, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Apply that formula. A means 15 square 225 minus x square, plus x minus x cancel. 30 into 30 by 225 minus x square equal to 9 by 2.
Cross multiply numerator and denominator. 30 into 30 is 900 into 2 equal to 9 into 225 minus x square. We cross multiply for 9. 900 into 2 divided by 9 equal to 225 minus x square. 9 ones are 900, 100 into 2 200 equal to 225 equal to minus x square. So 200 minus 225 equal to minus 25. Minus minus cancel. X square equal to 25. X equal to square root 25. Root of 25 is 5 plus or minus 5. X is plus 5 or minus 5, but speed cannot be measured in negative. So cannot be negative. So we consider hence x equal to plus 5 kilometer per hour. Speed of the stream is 5. Seventh question. Solve the following pair of linear equation graphically. X plus 3y equal to 6, 2x minus 3y equal to 12. In this graph question sometimes ask for 5 marks also. So it's very important question. Every year must and should ask. So first we have to write the two equation. First one x plus 3y equal to 6. Then second one 2x minus y equal to 6. Then convert in any one variable. I will convert for x equal to 12 plus 3y by 2. Then we have to write one box and 3 column. We must try for 3 points. So second equation also write on box and x y. So then put value for y and find out x. X equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 6. When y equal to 0, x equal to 6. Then y equal to 1. X equal to 6 minus 3 1. 3 ones are 3. 6 minus 3 3. Then x y equal to 2. 6 minus 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 0. So x become 0 when y equal to 2. Then put y equal to 0. Find out x value. 12 plus 3y by 2. Y become 0. So 3 into 0 0. 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6. X equal to 6. So then put y equal to 2. X equal to 12 plus 3 into 2 by 2. 12 plus 3 2s are 6. 18 by 2. 2 ones are 2 9s are. Y equal to 4. Then put y equal to 4. X equal to 12 plus 3 into 4 by 2. So 12 plus 12 by 2. 12 plus 12 24. 6 is 6 is 6 plus 2 12. X equal to 12 when y equal to 4. At least 3 value we can find easily plot the graph. Then we plot the graph. Using these points we plot the graph. So first write y axis and x axis. I am not using graph sheet, I am using only sheets. Then we observe that in the x-axis highest number is 12. So space is little bit short. So I will take 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like that. And y-axis equal to 1, 2, 3. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. And then plot the graph. Y equal to 0, x equal to 6. Y equal to 0, then x equal to 6. Then mark it and label. Label is must and should important. Then x-axis is 3. 3 is between 2 and 4. Then y equal to 1. Mark it 3 comma 1. Then x equal to 0, y equal to 2. X equal to 0 is origin and y equal to 2. Then it is complete for first equation. So join it very neatly and use scale please. I am not using scale. Then write down what is the equation. X plus 3y equal to 6. Then plot second equation. X equal to 6, y equal to 0. Same as it is point. When in the two equation have a same point because it intersecting line. We understand this is intersecting line. Then we have plot second point. 9 comma 2 and then 12 comma 4. 12 comma 4. X equal to 12, y equal to 4. Then join these 3 points. Observe that the two lines are intersecting. So when lines are intersecting in condition of linear pair of two equations exist unique solution. What are the solution? 6 comma 0 is the solution of this graph. So we write neatly the given linear equation is intersecting line at only one point is 6 comma 0 and exits unique solution This is the graph lighting method, and finally we have to write scale. Scale is important, contains of marks. X-axis equal to 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit, y-axis equal to 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit.
Question number 8. If the non-zero value of k for with the quadratic equation k x square plus 1 minus 2 k minus 1 into x plus x square equal to 0 as equal roots and find the root of the equation. So first write the equation of given equation written as equation is kx square plus x square minus 2 k minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So first take the common. X square is a common in both terms, so k plus 1 minus 2 into k minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. This considers equation 1, and then write what is a, k plus 1, then what is b equal to minus 2 into k minus 1 and c equal to 1. So in the given question, for equal roots, what is mean equal roots? Equal means d equal to 0. What is the formula for find out a k value? D equal to b square minus 4ac. So we know that d equal to 0, so we take implies what is b minus 2 into k minus 1 whole square minus 4 into k 1 into k plus 1 equal to 0. Then take a square, minus into minus plus 2 square equal to 4, k minus 1 whole square minus 4 ones are 4 and k plus 1 equal to 0. Then apply a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then multiply 4 into k 4k plus into minus minus equal to 0. So then consider 4k square plus 4 minus 8k minus 4k minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. 4k square minus 12k equal to 0. Take common 4k. So k minus 3 equal to 0. So we consider 4k equal to 0 or k minus 3 equal to 0. K equal to 0, k equal to 3. So k value when it becomes 0 is neglect, only consider k equal to 3. Put k equal to 3 in equation 1. So what are the equation 1? I will mention above. So x square into 3 plus 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x square y square minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x square plus x square 4x square minus 6x plus 2 minus 6x plus 2. There is something mistake is there. No, it's correct. Minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Then factorize this. This is the quadratic equation. Then factorize that. Factorize by splitting method 4x square. What are the factor of 4x square? Minus 2x minus 2x. Applying for the quadratic equation, 2x minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then take common in these two terms, 2x minus 1. Take minus 1 is the common, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Then we have to write, when a repeated term is there, we have to write only once. So x equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 1 by 2. So roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Roots are equal and real. So this is the 8th question. 9th question, x equal to minus 1 by 2. This is formula is the question is wrong. X equal to minus 1 by 2 is a solution of quadratic equation 3x square plus 2kx minus 3 equal to 0. Find the value of k. So
what is given x equal to minus 1 by 2 and gives the quadratic equation 3x square plus 2kx minus 3 equal to 0. Put x value in this equation 3 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2k into minus 1 by 2 into x minus 3. So 3 into minus plus 2 square means 4. 2 to get cancel. Minus 1, 3 equal to 0. So 3 by 4 minus k equal to 0. So take LCM for both sides. 3 minus 4k minus 12 equal to 0. Then 4k minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. 4 minus 9. So we take k equal to minus 9 by 4. This is the final answer. So question number 10 in quadratic equation. Truck cover a distance of 150 km at a certain average speed and then cover another 200 km at an average speed which is 20 km per hour more than first speed. Find the first speed of the truck. So first speed of the truck now find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first we have to write given first average speed is x kilometer per hour time. What we find out, speed find out. What is the formula of speed? Time equal to distance by speed. Speed equal to x plus 2 km per hour. According to the question, we observe neatly, and in the word problems we read 3 to 4 times question, and then we have to write for 150 by x plus 200 by x plus 20 equal to 5. Take LCM on both sides. So x into x plus 20. So what are the LCM? X into x plus 20, 150 into x plus 20, 200 into x equal to 5. Multiply 150x into 150x. 15 2 is 33, 3000 plus 200x equal divided by x into x square plus 20x equal to 5. So send this on right hand side. 150 plus 200 350 plus 3000 equal to 5x square plus 5 into 20 100x. Then is the take into left hand side 3000 minus 5x square minus 100x equal to 0. Then take arrange in the highest power plus 3000 equal to 0. So in full equation divided by 5, 550 is a 5600 equal to 0. So first term cannot be negative, so multiply negative on both sides. So x square minus 50x minus 600 equal to 0. So factorization is completed. Minus 600x square is 60x plus 10x. X square minus 60x plus 10x minus 600 equal to 0. Take common in x square minus 60x. Take 10x minus 60 equal to 0. So then what are we get? X equal to 60 and x equal to minus 10. In the speed negative cannot be used. So is neglected. This one is neglected. So what is the speed? First speed of truck is 60 km per hour. So thank you for watching.